I'm Vanessa from Carolina Auto Sales, and I have this nice 2012 Honda Civic Si. Soy Vanessa de Carolina Auto Sales. Tengo este 2012 Honda Civic Si. Let me show you this baby, what it could do. It comes with a 2.4 liter dual overhead cam, inline Vtec. It also comes with a cold air intake. It's got blackout factory wheels. Look at the storage room in the trunk. It has stereo controls, information station button, voice command, cruise control, and it also has a sunroof. It's a 6-speed manual transmission. You know what? Let's stop with all this boring stuff and take it on a ride. Best sound you could hear in a vehicle. Stereo. Look at, see how it sounds. Shifts really nicely, smooth, and let me tell you, this baby has power. I'm Vanessa from Carolina Auto Sales. Call me at 843-293-5706. Soy Vanessa de Carolina Auto Sales. Háblame al 843-293-5706 y tengo este carro para financiar aquí mismo y otros carros aquí en el lote. I have this car available for in-house financing and everything we have in inventory today.